You do not need more than one business to succeed. Be focused and give your best. If it does not work, at least you have no regrets of not pushing harder. Though
Like the
it is said that
video.
multiple streams of income make you more financially successful, you do not need to add more unrelated businesses. Just one business mastered well will make you achieve your desired success. If you are into pig farming, learn everything you can about pigs. Position yourself such that if someone wants a pig to buy, your farm becomes the place people will be directed to. You need focus and undivided attention. Invest more time in one particular area and perfect it. Do not be the farmer who will have 10 pigs, 5 goats, 7 sheep, and 20 birds. If you are not able to describe your farm in few words, then you don't own any of them. You are confusing yourself and will definitely not make enough profit from any of them if you are trying to do everything. Instead, choose one, go deep, and fall in love with it. If you are not getting the results you want, sit down with yourself, ask questions, brainstorm ideas, and find solutions. People will try to give you a lot of advice as to which business is right for you. It is natural. But since you have chosen a particular direction, be clear on why you want to pursue that path and give your best. You'll be surprised how far you can go. Taking pig farming for instance, if you realize the profits are not enough for you, you can think of starting to sell fresh pork, opening a joint to offer grilled or roasted pork. All of these can be different businesses, but they are still within pig farming. Ask yourself, can this be possible if you produce goods, sheep, cattle, and birds at the same time? Go for one, specialize and maximize your earnings. Success can be just one more trial away from you, but you give up sooner than it is attained. You can send me a direct message on Instagram or Facebook, but for now, subscribe to stay up to date with pig farming. Here is the Pig Farmers School.